Hello. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames and framing a view for Monday, 5th July. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list for Monday. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So here you will see the overall open interest data for 8 July weekly expiry contract. Highest amount of calls were written at 15,800 strike, followed by 15,900 strike. So going forward, 15,900 to 15,800 are likely to act as strong resistance. And if you see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 15,600 strike, followed by 15,500 strike. So going forward, 15,600 to 15,500 range is likely to act as a support for the index. And broadly, we are trading in a range of 15,900 to the upside and 15,500 to the downside. If we see the Nifty option max pain data, it suggests that max pain is currently at 15,700 level. So if market was to expire on 8 July around 15,700 levels, in that scenario, put and call option writers of 15,700 strike would be making profits, and call and put option buyers, they would be making losses, as on expiry large percentage of options they expire worthless. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of sellers below the opening price, which is 15,755 levels. And if you see the weekly time frame, this week market has been under control of sellers below 15,915 levels. And if you were to see the daily time frame, here you will see that in terms of price structure, we have been making lower lows and lower highs. So based on the price structure, we are in a downtrend on the index. And next Monday, two new time frames would be opening, the new daily time frame as well as the weekly time frame. So we would have to see on Monday what is likely to what is going to be the likely trend overall for the market. But at this point of time, the short term trend of the market based on the price structure is currently down, irrespective of the fact that on Friday market closed above the open, forming this green candle. So in terms of price structure, we are still making lower lows and lower highs. So based on that, we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. And our scenario for Monday are above 15,722 levels, we can trade towards 15,801 levels, and below 15,671 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,572 levels. And the neutral price range for Monday is going to be 15,722 to 15,671, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list for Monday. The stocks that we have chosen are weekly inside candles. So today was the weekly close, and we are using the weekly time frame, and inside candles are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we look to establish a position if either side of the range breaks. So for Monday, a new time frame will open, so we have to be prepared for a breakout in these stocks. So our first stock is Adani Ports. So below 699.9, we can look for selling opportunity intraday in Adani Ports on Monday, or we can look for buying opportunity above 730 levels in Adani Ports. Next stock is Ambuja Cements. In Ambuja Cement, we can look for a breakdown below 337.15 levels. Next stock is Concor. In Concor, we can look for selling opportunity below 677.4 levels. Next stock is Gujarat Gas. In Gujarat Gas, we can look for buying opportunity above 683 levels. Our next stock is JSW Steel. So in JSW Steel, we can look for selling opportunity below 667.4 levels. Next stock is LIC Housing Finance. In LIC Housing Finance, we can look for buying trigger above 478.1, or we can look for selling opportunity below 464.4 levels. Next stock is Petronet. In Petronet, we can look for selling opportunity below 223 levels on Monday. And our final stock, based on the weekly inside candlestick pattern, Torrent Power, we can look for buying opportunity above 465.85 levels. And now we would be discussing our stock watch list, which comprises of sectors that are currently outperforming or underperforming the index. So these stocks, they are relative sector analysis based on the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame has just started. So yesterday was the first day and today was the second day. So based on that, currently pharma sector is outperforming and metals are underperforming. So first stock for Monday is going to be Torrent Farm. These two stocks, Torrent Pharma as well as Oro Pharma, these are long only stocks. So in these stocks, we will look for only buying opportunities. Second is Oro Pharma. Again, in it, we'll look for buying opportunities. So I'll tell you how we will look for buying opportunity. You can use the VWAP index, and you can use time frame like 15 minute. So you can see on Monday, if we have a 15-minute closing above the VWAP, we can look for buying opportunity in both Oro Pharma as well as Torrent Pharma. So here you can see in Torrent Pharma, we had an opportunity. So on Monday, if it closes above the VWAP, we can look for buying opportunity, and in case it closes below VWAP, we'll exit our long positions, will not short these two stocks. And sale, it would be in a short bias stock watch list. So if sale remains below the VWAP, we'll look for selling opportunities only. If it closes below the VWAP, we'll sell the stock. And next stock would be Adani Enterprises. Again, on Monday, we'll look for opportunity to sell Adani Enterprises if it closes below the VWAP on 15-minute time frame. So these are long and short bias watch lists. We look for only long signals in Torrent Pharma and Oro Pharma. If 15-minute closes above the VWAP, we look for an entry, and in sale and Adani Enterprises, we'll look for selling opportunity below the VWAP. And the stocks that we discussed earlier, the weekly inside candlesticks pattern stocks, in these stocks we have already discussed in which direction they are likely to break out or break down on Monday. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that on Monday above 15,722 we can potentially trade towards 15,801 levels, and below 15,671 we can potentially trade towards 15,572 levels. And we are in a broad 400 point range based on the overall open interest data between 15,900 to the upside and 15,500 to the downside, and the max pain has remained at 15,700 levels only. And our stock watch list for Monday comprises of Adani Ports, Ambuja Cement, Concor, Gujarat Gas, JSW Steel, LIC Housing Finance, Petronet, Torrent Power. We have already discussed potential entry triggers for all these stocks, and you can also check out our blog post. There we have posted our long and short bias watch list as well, which comprises of pharma stocks that are currently outperforming the index while metal stocks are underperforming. So in these stocks we'll look for long only opportunities if they close above the VWAP based on 15-minute time frame, and in these stocks we'll look for only selling opportunity if they close below the VWAP based on 15-minute time frame on Monday. Finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.